The best story for me, I think, when I was young, doing Under the Dragon, fighting with Bruce Lee. And I was behind the camera, waiting. I just see Bruce Lee, then I just run up, then he boom, pa. Suddenly, my eyes all black because he just one stick right on my head. Pa! He missed it, but I do nothing. I just and I just felt a little dizzy, but it's okay. I look at Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee doesn't do anything. He look at everybody and keep acting, turn around, back until the director say cut. Then he just throw the two sticks, just turn around. Oh my God! He run to me and lift me up. I'm sorry. And actually, I'm not pain anymore because young guy and me, very tough. But suddenly, I don't know why, I just pretend very painful. I just want Bruce Lee hold me along as he can. I said, during the whole day, every time he look at me, like this, I said, okay. And I think that's the best moment. And somehow he ran to me, what's your name? I said, my name Jackie. What style are we learning? I said, Southern style. Okay. Then talk to me, Jackie, huh? Jackie. Okay. My name is Jackie Chan. My best story forever.